Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your posts from someone on Instagram without having to block them or unfollow them. Let's go step by step. So first, open up the Instagram app on your phone and go straight to your profile page. Now on the top right-hand side, you're going to see three little lines. Go ahead and tap on those. That will open up your menu. From there, scroll down until you see the option that says Limit Interactions. Once you see it, just tap on it and turn it on. When you enable this, you'll notice that Instagram gives you different settings. First one shows you what exactly will be limited. This can include things like comments, direct messages, and a few other interactions. You can go inside and make changes if you'd like, but if you're not interested, you can just leave it as it is and go back. The second section is the most important one. It's called Who Will Be Limited. Tap on it and you'll see options like recent followers and accounts you don't follow. All you have to do is select the categories that apply to you. So for example, if you want people you don't follow back to not see your posts properly, you can just limit them here. There's also another option to set a reminder, so Instagram can ask you if you want to keep limiting these people after a certain period of time. If you don't need this, you can simply leave it as it is and go back. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.